April is National Stress Awareness Month in the United States. So we're going to talk about some different ways, some different activities you can do to feel less stressed. So one way that you can feel less stress is exercise. Everyone feels stress at some point in their life. So one way that we can feel less stress is by exercising. Exercise makes your body produce chemicals that help you relax your muscles and improve your mood. So kinds of exercise that you might like to do would be walking, riding a bike, maybe kicking the soccer ball around. And those are all things that we can do outside right now during this pandemic, during the COVID-19 pandemic. We could go on a walk, we could ride our bike, and we could probably kick around a soccer ball and still stay a healthy distance away from other people. Another way that we can stay less stressed is to get 10 to 11 hours of sleep every night. People do lots of different things to get better sleep. So they say that we should go to bed the same time every night. And I know that's really hard because we like to stay up later to watch a TV show. We like to stay up later to play video games. But we should go to bed at the same time every night. That's why your parents have a bedtime for you. We should try taking a warm bath or maybe reading a book. And you should just use your bed for sleeping. So sometimes I like to lay in bed and maybe watch videos on my phone, do a little TikTok. But they say that you shouldn't do that. You should just use your bed for sleeping. So, some questions. Oh, nope, we're not there yet. All right, healthy foods. You should also eat healthy foods to stay less stressed. Some examples of healthy foods are fruits, vegetables, and dairy products like milk. They all are healthy foods. And the reason that we should eat healthy foods are healthy foods give us energy. And energy helps us feel less stressed. So eating foods with lots of protein is also important, like meat, eggs, nuts, beans, or tofu, if you like tofu. Charlie likes tofu, so you could eat tofu. You can also eat whole grain cereal, rice, and bread, which is also important to keep you healthy and less stressed. All right, what is one kind of exercise that you guys can do to stay less stressed? Go ahead and read. I'm going to read the choices, and then I want you guys to make an answer. Ride a bike, bake cookies, or eat a snack. Right. You can ride a bike.
Riding a bike.
What should you use your bed for? Should you use your bed to do homework? Should you use your bed to sleep? Or should you use your bed to play games? Go ahead and make your choice. You should use your bed just for sleep.
Sleep.
And what does healthy food give you? Trophies, energy, or haircuts? Correct answer is energy.
Energy.
You guys see my dog over here? She's making a bed. Anyway. All right. You can also do things that make you happy. So, do something you enjoy. Doing something that you enjoy can also help you feel less stress. You may like to play with your pet to feel less stress. So you could spend time outdoors with your pet if you would like, or you could spend outside time with your family as well. You might also enjoy doing puzzles or reading books. You could play board games. We really like to play board games here. And you can also enjoy listening to music, painting pictures. You could draw. Mr. Ng has provided us with some activities that you guys could do. You could learn how to draw. Or you guys could practice writing in a journal. That would be a way to help with stress management. You could spend time with your family and friends. Spending time with friends and family can help you feel less stress. You can play at the playground with your friends, or you can play sports such as baseball. Just remember right now, you can't really play at the playground unless you have one in your backyard. So make sure that you keep that in mind. Some people enjoy going to a beach or swimming in a lake with their families. So when the weather is warmer, those are things that we can enjoy and hopefully be less stressed. Other people like playing games at home, which we talked about, with their families. And also you can talk to somebody. So talk to someone that you trust if you feel stressed. You can talk to your friends, your parents, your teachers, or the school counselor. This person can have ideas about how to help you with your stress. Everyone feels stressed sometimes, so you can do these activities that we just mentioned to feel less stress. So, what can you play with to feel less stress? An alien, a shark, or a pet? Correct answer is a pet.
Pet.
What can you play with? Where can you play with your friends? Mars, volcano, or playground? Go ahead and make your choice. Correct answer is playground. Good job.
Playground.
Who feels stressed sometimes? Everyone, nobody, or dinosaurs? Right, everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone feels stress. All right, and then I've also attached these 2 video links to the lesson plan for today. One of them is about stress and how we can feel less stress. It talks about breathing, taking deep breaths. And then the other one is SciShow Kids. We've seen that before in class. It's about healthy foods. So make sure that you watch those 2 videos to learn a little bit more about stress and healthy eating. And I hope you guys have learned a little bit this week about stress and some different activities you guys can do when you're feeling stressed, or maybe how to help your family when they're feeling stressed. Talk soon.